Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars, we have their 2023 BMW M4 competition. This one is an X-Drive, obviously a convertible. I absolutely love this car. It's just, I don't know, there's just something unique about it. 503 horsepower, 479 pound-feet of torque. Absolutely gorgeous spec. Oh, seats are supremely comfortable. Do have the M Sports displays active. And then if you really want to take it to the next level, you just go to setup, and then you do all that. In order to shut M X-Drive off, you have to hold DSC off, and then you go MX drive, and then you can even go into full two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. It's all-wheel drive sport, but whatever. DSC on. Shifter, going to drive/sport. You can adjust the shift harshness and how aggressive you want everything to be. I'm gonna go back into home, into car, and then sports displays. You can even see energy flow, which I don't know why you would want to view that, but whatever. Let's go for a drive. Good old ZF 8-speed, torque converter auto, but this thing drives like a dual clutch. I have everything in its sportiest setting, except for traction control. And I absolutely love the way this car drives. In fact, I almost bought one. And now I'm kind of looking back, wishing I test drove some more of them, because I almost bought one twice, before I got the Hellcat, and then before I bought the Boxster. And I almost kind of wish that I spent some more time shopping, but I don't know, I've just been driving cars all day, so that's probably just... That is very loud. keeping a gap, it's because that thing just came off of a dirt road, and I do not want to get a bunch of stone chips on the front of this car. And no offense to everybody in the right-hand lane, if you're getting passed by a semi-truck, you're going too slow. No offense. So I love how comfortable this is too. Just longer journeys, I could drive this all day long. I've had some experience in these before, but not a lot, and not really by myself, taking some time for the car. Only time I had one by myself was late at night on a tight, twisty road, and I absolutely loved it. Oh, come on. Oh, brake pedal feel is phenomenal. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.